Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to create some group of flowers, and you can utilize these flowers into the flower bouquets or any stationery, whatever you like to have. And I'm using 300 GSM watercolor sheet, and my brush size is size 5 round brush. And I'm going to use this brush only for all the group of flowers that we're going to paint. So let's start with the first one. So first one is like group of rose flower. So I'm using the yellow color and adding texture in the round shape, and then a little bit more petals which is going out of the circle. And then with the help of clean brush, so just clean your brush, and with the help of clean water just try to bleed the color and adjust the petals accordingly, so that it will look like it is little bushier and you can see the rose flower kind of shape. So this flower is obviously on the loose side, so you will get something like this. So let's paint one more. So create some round shape, keep also negative space in between the petals. So I'm using concentrated color first, and then once you're done with the petals, a basic shape of rose, you can clean your brush and try to bleed the color and adjust the petals accordingly. Just take all your time to adjust the shape of the flower, and then I have mixed a little hint of orange into yellow color and just highlight existing petals and add few more petals into it to make it look like it is a rose flower. So define a more definite structure of rose with the help of very light shade of orange. So I'm using yellow color, that's why I'm using orange color to highlight the flower. So if you are using other color, you can adjust the shades accordingly. So let's do the same for the second rose also. And now you know like how we have to paint these flowers. So I am going to add one more flower with the help of purple color. Now let's add the leaves with the help of green color. So I'm using deep green and blue color. So this is towards the blue side more as compared to green, and add a bunch of leaves like this. And then with the help of green color, just add more leaves into it. So the composition is totally up to you, like where you want to add your flowers, where you want to add your leaves, what should be your leaf structure and all those things. So the flowers are main, and now I'm adding leaves and foliages just randomly putting here and there. So this one is dark green or deep green. Now I'm going to add some more fine lines like this with the help of sap green just to finish this group. So whenever you feel like there is something missing in this particular area, you can add these kind of foliages around the flower so that it will fill the area and finish the painting. And we're done with the first one. Now let's start with the second one. So for the second one, we have to add few petal structure like this in semicircle, and I'm using very concentrated color of blue here for the first layer of petals. So add a little concentrated color so that you can utilize this color to mix and add more petals into it. Now clean your brush and with the help of clean water just add more petal structure into it with the help of existing color in your sheet or from the previous petals. So I'm just cleaning my brush, taking color from the first layer of petals and bleeding those color and creating more petals to make it little bushier and to make it look like it has multi-layer flower. If you feel like you need more color, just add more color into it, that's fine, but try to avoid taking dark shades later. So keep it light once you go towards the upward direction. Now with the help of green color, just create sepals and stems for the flower. The green structure we can see below the flower, create that with the help of green color. Now let's paint one more flower with the help of different color in different angle. So this time I'm using purple color. So first take very dark shade of purple or concentrated color of purple, add these petals into C shape and then clean your brush and try to bleed the color and add more petals into your flower. If you need color, just take it from the first layer of petals and add layers of petals like this. Take your time to adjust the flower shape. We are not in hurry. And then, similar like we did in the first one, add the sepals for the second flower as well. Now this time I'm adding the leaf in little different shape, and the color is sap green and yellow. So I have mixed sap green and yellow together to make this particular shade, and creating a group of 3 or 4 leaves like this. This one is little rounder in shape. Let's add one more here. So this green shade is on the lighter side. And then with the help of dark green color, I'm going to add more texture into the leaves. So add lines like this into the leaf with the help of dark green color. Do it for all the leaves and then add foliages with the help of little shade of blue and green like we did in the first one. So I'm adding it just to finish this and to fill the gaps in between the flowers and leaves. Now let's start with the third one. So third one is quite simple. Create a circle like this. You can do it with the help of pencil as well, and then add petals like this. So you need to add a little pressure into your brush to make petals like this. Let's create one more with the same color. If there is variation in the petal shape, then you will get the different perception of the flower. So that's why the different shape of petals is needed sometime. So likewise, let me show you in this. So I have created one petal a little bigger and one petal a little smaller to get the little different perception of the flower. Let's add one more and then add the ovary. So for this flower I'm adding ovary with the help of black color. So add black dot in between the flower like this for all 4 flowers, and then add little dots around the ovary with the help of black color itself to finish this flower. Once done, with the help of green color, just add fine stems in between to join all the flowers. And this time I'm going to create smaller leaves with the help of two shades of green. So one is deep green and another one is sap green. I'm adding small leaves like this. Let's add few more with the help of sap green. And let's add fine lines or foliages around this one as well, like we did in the first and the second one. I think we should add a few more lines in the first and the second bunch of flowers also. So let's add. And we're done with all the three group of flowers. So hope you have liked this video. Hope you have learned something from this video. Do let me know if you guys have any feedback for me, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.